And here's the wildfire note update. So otherwise, just for the added Mount Hayes fire for the Coastal Fire Center, nothing else has been added or removed. Looks like there may have been one in the Kamloops, but otherwise. Start off, Crazy Creek Gorge, 4,358. Bunting Road, 4,734 hectares. George Road, 2,913 hectares. Garrison Lake, 15,000 hectares. Hunnaquah Lake, 3,601 hectares. July Mountain, 19,660 hectares. Linton Creek, 84,327 hectares. McKay Creek, 41,688 hectares. Monmouth Lake, 16,534 hectares. Second bit. The Soyuz Fire, 20,066 hectares. Mount Law, 800 hectares. I forgot to check if the Soyuz fires were showing everything else. Anything else? Okay. Sparks Lake, 93,533 hectares. Thomas Creek, 10,597 hectares. Nothing really else there. Tremont Creek, 62,523 hectares. Nothing else. Tumar Road, 2,499 hectares. Second bit. And White Rock Lake, 81,139 hectares. Second bit. Yeah, from the road closures onwards, sounds about good. Third bit. And we move on. Northwest Fire Center, Chief Louis Lake, 20,750 hectares. Caribou now, Big Stick Lake, 7,195 hectares. Still being held. Churn Creek. Fuck's sake, 12,101 hectares. It will be no longer considered wildfire of note on the 21st, so tomorrow. That's nice. So that's one fire that's going to disappear. Young Lake, 7,453 hectares. And Flat Lake, 73,779 hectares. second bit. And now we're off to the southeast. We got Mashad Creek, 14,639 hectares. Plumbod Mountain, 286 hectares. This one will be also removed as a wildfire note on the 21st, tomorrow. So that's 2 that's going to disappear tomorrow. Looking more promising. Octopus Creek, 22,972 hectares. Trozo Creek, 5,992 hectares being held. There we go. We move off to Prince George. We got Pine River, 2,542 hectares. Cutoff Creek, 31,602 hectares. And Tenfire Creek, 3,148 hectares. And then we got the Coastal. We got this fire here, 4,718 hectares. Nothing much else. And then to finish her off, Mount Hayes, 70 hectares. On that note, I'll see you guys later on tonight, if not tomorrow morning. Probably later on tonight, though. That way there's just some, at least pre-context if something does happen tonight. This is what's going on. So some cellular development, nothing natural thunderstorms thus far. So that's what I expect, obviously. So yeah, got that just south of Kelowna there, and then we got this bunch here and way out there, and then some just showers down here. It's gonna probably be like this the rest of tonight. So yeah, just some pre-context if something happens. So while I was just watching YouTube, having my relaxed time and all that before bed, this happened. I'm actually just going to do that because it shows the time. Yeah. Watch it. Yeah. I got lucky as fuck. Nothing happened, actually. I went outside when I noticed this, and ground was dry. Other than for a drizzle that was actually just starting up. Literally nothing happened. Lightning was detected on this. Right Where is it? There it is, right there. And this one just didn't do anything. Just missed right north. Oh, this little tiny ass thing did something. But yeah. Fun times. I'll see you guys in the morning. Here's your morning. Oh, actually, let's see, 11 o'clock. So, it is. Nice. Here's your 11 o'clock forecast, plus fire, plus outlook update. So, today, 40% chance of showers this afternoon with the risk of a thunderstorm. Tonight, a 40% chance of showers this evening with a risk of a thunderstorm. So, they've blatantly just expanded today's threat from late this afternoon to early this evening to this afternoon till this evening. And then tomorrow, 30% chance of showers with the risk of a thunderstorm in the afternoon. Yeah. And then Sunday night to Monday, 30% chance of showers. Probably thunderstorm threat there for Sunday and Monday. Sunday night and Monday. From there, we got the outlook. We sit in this sea area, so 70k gusts, 15mm rainfall, isolated thunderstorms possible. Not too shabby, not too shabby. But we've been in a moderate how many fucking times in a row thus far? I'm not hedging too many bets yet that we'll get anything. But one of these has got to give. And then we got, yeah, I see the air quality there, but I'm not going to do it. It's pretty fucking, just above 150 to consider. So it's just above 150, still unhealthy, but that's fucking pointless to show. And here is the fire update. Yeah. It's fairly similar to yesterday. Nothing too much different. Currently stand at 249 active fires, 1,534 current year. Yeah. On that note, I'll see you guys later on today. There's stuff developing, or has been going on since like fucking noon. It's actually starting a lot earlier than I thought. Stand up. Stuff back there, it's pretty much the same as what I'm looking at over here, just a little, I think it's a little more defined. When I'm heading back in, I might show you guys, but it's pretty pointless. But it wouldn't matter too much if I do or don't. But yeah. Smoke's cleared up a bit though. Doesn't stink anymore. Just been staring at this. Here's the 4 o'clock forecast, plus radar, plus fire update. So tonight, 40% chance of showers this evening with the risk of a thunderstorm. That goes till 8 o'clock. Tomorrow, 30% chance of showers with the risk of a thunderstorm in the afternoon and early in the evening. Yeah. I won't be able to watch that one. I don't think anything will happen from tomorrow's. Anyways, tomorrow's is looking like the worst out of the bunch we've been getting. And then Monday, still 40% chance of showers. Yeah. And we'll save the radar update till the end because it's in the middle of an update. And then we got fire. I think the air quality's, outlook is available, but I haven't checked. Forgot to check. So, and this is where we stand with fires. Yeah. Again, it's not really anything special, It's not really special anymore, but yeah. It's just the amount of red that's visible on the screen. Fire perimeters, out of control fires, wildfires of note, all that red stuff. And we currently stand at 245 active fires, 3 in the last 2 days, 1,535 current year. And the radar today. Ooh, shit. That one over there. That one's bombing over there. The fuck? It's not supposed to be strong storms today. It'll be interesting to see what this one does. It's a blob. It's a complex there, so I wonder if that'll have some hold on long enough. Most of these are pulse, but yeah. But yeah, on that note, I'll see you guys later on, either with an Outlook update and or a outside update. The outlook for tomorrow, just on the edge, where we're just outside of the isolated area. Like I said, it's the crappier day out of the bunch. The crappiest day out of the bunch. Today probably being the best out of the bunch. So, yeah. We get a little break after this, and then we'll probably get some more before August ends, and then September still can do it as well. But it's looking glum. Well, there it is. There's that complex down there, which I don't know if it's actually going to do anything or not. It looks like it's moving west anyways, so, I mean, it's kind of like, even if it makes it, it's not going to matter. It's not even going to hit. It might be visible enough, though, who knows. Some showers down there that passed by earlier. Otherwise, can't really see too much. The haze is just thick enough that you can't really see too much down to the west. Also because of the fact is how the sun's positioned, plus the haze. But yeah. It's nothing really special. I mean, this is probably the closest we've gotten all fucking... Oh, actually, no, last night was the closest we've gotten to a thunderstorm, but yeah. I'll see you guys later on today. The smell and everything's back. This is how it looks down here. Cell popping over there. Hazy skies fucking stinks. And there's the storm down there. I don't know what the intensity is. Haven't checked in a little bit, so. But yeah, I'll see you guys later on. Like it's it. What the fuck? Looks like crap. Oh, jeez. I wonder what it looks like down here now. God, it stinks of smoke though. So, it's like lighter it is, the fucking stinkier it is. Nice little sunset. Some light showers over here. And then you got yourself a little storm down there. Some hazy conditions. Yeah. We're getting to that point in the year now. Oh god. Where it's not really that nice of thunderstorms anymore. Yeah. I don't know. Tomorrow will be garbage. We have a chance, obviously, still tomorrow, but it's gonna be garbage either way. I'll leave you guys with that, and I'll see you guys later on today. And here's the radar. Look at that. And that. I'll see you guys later on. Alrighty, here you guys go into the morning forecast plus outlook plus fire update. So today, 6% chance showers late this morning and this afternoon with a risk of a thunderstorm this afternoon. Tonight, 8% chance of showers early in the evening with a risk of a thunderstorm early in the evening. And then tomorrow still 30% chance of showers, and that'll be in the afternoon. Otherwise, that's about it. And then we got outlook. Minor. It's still just isolated. I think it's a bit of a underkill what it's forecast. I know I'm saying I'm still saying it's the shittiest day of all of them, but the highest shear content, you would think there'd be a little bit more than just an isolated thunderstorm potential. Still minor risk, but a little bit more than just isolated. Yeah. Then fire. Yeah. Still got that cluster from the lightning event down there. Yeah, I should say the same for most of these out of control fires. Quite honestly, most of these are just hanging around. Currently sit at 249 active fires, 1,538 current year, 6 in the last 2 days. Yeah. But, yeah, I'll see you guys later on today. Oh, crap. timing. I'd take my break now anyways. Jeez. Talking. I don't know what's moving through, but I'll take it. Most of all days, it's a day I'm working 8 hours. This is happening. I mean, at least I'm getting footage. This is all I give a shit about, honestly. I'll have to check radar to see. Looks like it may be something frontal. I think it is frontal. Or at least derived from it. Looks like. It's never too strong to start with. Try and check and see. Wi-Fi oh. I don't know how much stronger it was earlier. This is how it's looking. You can get the radar and 11 o'clock update in, why not? Ah, there we go. There's why. And the forecast. 6% chance of showers and risk of a thunderstorm today. And a 30% chance of showers tonight with a risk of a thunderstorm this evening. On that note, in a little bit. I get a little bit more something else. Yep. That's coming in. Just taking my break now, so this should give me enough of a window for this to come through. It's not gonna be anything special, but you see it right in the corner there. Yeah. Oh shit. Wow. I got a better idea. I'll let it do its thing. Yeah, it's not super impressive, but we'll take it. And here's a radar before I head back to work here. Yeah. Produced some lightning that little bit that passed through earlier today. Now we're just sitting under a bunch of rain again. Yeah. Nothing super special. But definitely a lot more than it has been, and I didn't put my rain gauge out, so this is actually a little bit fucking annoying. Like, I mean, if it was just that one round this morning, okay, but the second round thing, now it's getting me pissed off, because I've got some decent accumulation, or understanding what the difference is from here and home, in terms of rainfall. But yeah, I'll just see you guys later on today. Yeah, so things look. Nothing beyond what happened when I was on break happened. So, yeah. I'll give you guys a 4 o'clock update, forecast plus fire, followed by a fires of note. We'll do it all at once there to end the video off. Yeah. Alright, here's the quote-unquote 4 o'clock update. I'm just going to call it evening update, fire plus forecast. So, 40% chance showers, risk of thunderstorm this evening, that's passed, well past already. Yeah, and then beyond that, it's looking quite bleh. This will be the end of the video as well. Unless something randomly happens today, which is all possible. And then the fire update. And after this, we'll do fires of note to finish her off. And this is how it's looking. And from what I can tell, there's only 3 fires of note in the southeast now. Otherwise, Oh yeah, and then one last one, caribou as well. Again, from what I can tell. Yeah. And I think one has been I don't know. I swear one or two have been removed from Kamloops as well, but I can't confirm that. I don't remember. And current stats, we stand at 245 active fires, 2 in the last 2 days, 1,539 current year. The tally for this year. On that note, I'll see you guys with fires of note in just a little bit. Yeah. Here's wildfires of note update now. So like I said, I think 1 or 2 have been removed from Kamloops. And then 1 from Caribou for sure, and then 1 from Southeast. 1 or 2 from Southeast as well. Otherwise, everything else is the same. Let's jump right into it here. Crazy Creek Gorge, 4,358 hectares. Bunting Road, 4,734 hectares. Garrison Lake, 15,000 hectares. George Road, 5,017 hectares. July Mountain, 19,660 hectares. Linton Creek, 84,825 hectares. McKay Creek, 44,688 hectares. Eastern side of McKay Creek are fucking snow reports. Are you serious? Oh, jeez. Maumec Lake, 16,534 hectares. Second bit. Mount Law, 800 hectares. The Soyuz Fire, 20,066 hectares. Sparks Lake, 93,533 hectares. Thomas Creek, 10,597 hectares. Tremont Creek, 62,523 hectares. Two Mile Road, 2,499 hectares. White Rock Lake, 80,745 hectares. Second bit. Now off to the northwest, Chief Louis Lake, 20,750 hectares. Now off to the Caribou, we got Flat Lake, 73,779 hectares. Second bit. Big Stick Lake, 7,195 hectares. Young Lake, 7,453 hectares. Off to the Prince George Fire Center, we got Cutoff Creek, 31,602 hectares. Pine River, 2,542 hectares. Tenfire Creek, 30,148 hectares. Off to the southeast, we got Mashad Creek, 14,639 hectares. Octopus Creek, 22,972 hectares. And Trozo Creek, 5,992 hectares. And no longer wildfire note as well. Off to the coastal, we got this fire here, 5,022 hectares. And to finish off, Mount Hayes, 73 hectares being held. And on that note, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.